Sometimes the hardest part isn't starting. It's not giving up. At first, nothing seems to fit. You try once, it doesn't work. You try again, still not right. Frustration builds, and quitting feels easier. But then you pause. You adjust. You try one more time. Because progress isn't about getting it right the first time. It's about learning from every mistake. Each failed attempt teaches you something new. Each small correction brings you closer. And finally, everything connects. That moment reminds us, success isn't luck. It's patience, persistence, and belief in the process. So next time things don't fit right away, remember this. Keep trying. It will connect.